Let's go inside the tram again.
Tour guide for this ride. Starting with our first animal. On your right side is the blessbok or blessbok, and longer ones. Their names came from the white patches on their face, from their forehead up to their nose. Their patches are white just like that, a type of UV protection or built-in sunscreen that may protect themselves from the harmful rays of the sun. And then the where we keep them at night for safety. Let's start the species in the world. They stand for 5 feet, starting from their shoulder up to their hoof. They can weigh between 4 feet. Those are the water bugs. From the term water, they often swim or surround themselves with water. They use water to escape predators such as sheep, special type of oil that they use to waterproof their fur. For males, they can grow even stinkier as they mature, and for the females, the stinkier the male, the better. Again, our humans and our water bugs. This one is the male.
Gabay na. Gabay na.
Going back to our left side, that is the greater kudu. Now they are the back to our left side, that is the greater kudu. Now they are the tallest, 6 feet in length. Now the male is the one who has horns, while the female does not. When they feel threatened or sense danger, they often hide and freeze or stop so that they cannot be seen by predators. Again, that is the male. Over there is the female, and they are called greater kudu. Zebra, she's born here in Cebu Safari, 8 months old, turning 9 months this February. Zebras are not migrating, traveling, or eating. They get the chance to sleep. And when they sleep, they can sleep for some time, standing up and with one eye open. They also use their stripes to keep their temperature cool during hotter seasons, one of their key characters in the show. Also known as the King of Kalahari Desert, they can survive for a long time without water, longest rest, and can cover distances of 12 meters. They can run very fast, the maximum record 90 kilometers per hour.
Asan ulo? Ulo? May sarili kang ano. Sis Ben. Kaya pala. I love you. Happy birthday. Kain, Daddy.
Kuha ka na.
Init. Pero kain ng french fries. May house yung turtle. Hi, Cheetah. Hi, Cheetah. Hi, Cheetah.
Mas malaki.